Discover the fascinating world of animals. A close-up look at animals that start with J. Mastering English through the animal kingdom. Jaguar. Jaguar is a large spotted wild cat found primarily in South America. Jaguars are known for their powerful jaws that allow them to bite through the shells of turtles and armadillos. Despite being excellent swimmers, jaguars typically prefer to hunt on land and can take down prey as large as caimans and capybaras. The jaguar is considered a threatened species due to habitat loss and hunting. Jellyfish. Jellyfish is a gelatinous, free-swimming aquatic creature with long tentacles that contain stinging cells. Jellyfish belong to the phylum Cnidaria, a group of animals that also includes coral and sea anemones. While many species of jellyfish are harmless to humans, some can cause stings that range from mild irritation to severe pain and even death. Jellyfish have no brain or central nervous system, but they are able to sense and respond to their environment through a network of nerves and receptors. Jackal. Jackal is a wild dog found primarily in Africa and Asia, known for its sharp teeth and hunting prowess. There are three main species of jackal: the golden jackal, the black-backed jackal, and the side-striped jackal. Jackals are opportunistic hunters, feeding on a wide range of prey including small mammals, birds, and reptiles. In many cultures, jackals are associated with trickery and deceit, and are sometimes seen as symbols of death or the underworld. Javan Rhinoceros. Javan Rhinoceros is a large, gray, one-horned rhinoceros found only on the Indonesian island of Java. With fewer than 70 individuals left in the wild, the Javan rhinoceros is one of the most critically endangered animals on the planet. The Javan rhinoceros is unique among rhinoceros species in that it has a single horn that can reach up to 10 inches in length. Despite being heavily poached for its horn and facing threats from habitat loss and degradation, conservation efforts are underway to help save the Javan rhinoceros from extinction. Junglefowl. Junglefowl is a type of wild chicken found in forests and other wooded areas throughout Southeast Asia. Junglefowl are the ancestors of modern domestic chickens, and many species are still used for food and traditional medicine. Male junglefowl are known for their bright plumage and distinctive calls, which they use to attract mates and defend their territory. Junglefowl have been important to human cultures and religions for thousands of years, and are often depicted in art and folklore. Japanese macaque. Japanese macaque is a type of monkey found in various parts of Japan, also known as the snow monkey. Japanese macaques are known for their distinctive red faces and the habit of soaking in hot springs to stay warm during the winter. These intelligent animals have complex social structures and a wide range of vocalizations and facial expressions to communicate with each other. Despite being one of the more well-known and studied monkey species, Japanese macaques face threats from habitat loss and fragmentation, as well as human disturbance and hunting. Jack Russell Terrier. Jack Russell Terrier is a small but energetic breed of dog known for its hunting ability and playful personality. Developed in England over 200 years ago, the Jack Russell Terrier was originally bred for fox hunting and ratting. These intelligent and determined dogs require plenty of exercise and mental stimulation to stay happy and healthy. Thanks to their small size and adaptability, Jack Russell Terriers make popular pets and are also used in agility and obedience competitions. Jakana. Jakana is a type of bird found in wetlands and shallow bodies of water in tropical regions around the world. Jakanas are known for their long toes, which allow them to walk on floating vegetation and other unstable surfaces. Some species of Jakana are notable for their unusual mating arrangements, with males taking on most of the parental duties including incubating the eggs and caring for the chicks. Despite being generally considered harmless and even beneficial for their role in controlling insects and other small prey, some species of Jakana are threatened by habitat loss and hunting. Japanese Chin. Japanese Chin is a small breed of dog originally bred in Japan as a companion to aristocrats and members of the imperial court. Japanese Chins are known for their long, silky coats and expressive faces, as well as their affectionate and loyal personalities. Despite their diminutive size, Japanese chins have a strong prey drive and require plenty of exercise and mental stimulation to stay happy and healthy. These charming dogs have become popular around the world as pets and show dogs, but can be prone to certain health problems due to their small size and breeding history. Japanese Bush Warbler. Japanese Bush Warbler is a small bird found throughout Japan and East Asia, known for its distinctive song. Japanese bush warblers are often considered a symbol of spring in Japan, and their song is thought to be a sign of good luck and prosperity. Despite their small size and drab appearance, these birds are highly valued by bird watchers and nature enthusiasts for their unique vocal abilities. Japanese bush warblers face threats from habitat loss and degradation, as well as predators such as cats and rats introduced to their native range by human activity. Jay. Jay is a colorful and often noisy bird found throughout most of the world, belonging to the family Corbetty. Jays are known for their striking blue, black, and white plumage, as well as their loud calls and social behavior. These intelligent birds are able to cache food for later use and have a wide range of vocalizations and gestures to communicate with other members of their group. Despite being common in many parts of the world, some species of jay are threatened by habitat loss and hunting for their meat and feathers. Javanese Cat. Javanese cat is a long-haired breed of domestic cat originating from the Indonesian island of Java. Javanese cats are known for their silky, color-pointed coats and playful personalities, as well as their vocal and affectionate nature. These intelligent and curious cats require plenty of stimulation and attention to maintain their well-being and prevent destructive behavior. While the Javanese cat is not currently considered a threatened breed, some populations of feral and domestic cats are known to cause environmental damage and may compete with native predators and prey. Jackson Chameleon. Jackson chameleon is a slow-moving species of chameleon native to East Africa, known for its ability to change color and adapt to its surroundings. Jackson chameleons are named for the British biologist who first described them, and were introduced to Hawaii as a popular pet in the 1970s. These arboreal reptiles have distinctive horns and a prehensile tail, and are capable of changing their skin color to communicate with other chameleons and blend in with their environment. While Jackson chameleons are not considered a threatened species, they are susceptible to habitat loss and disturbance, as well as illegal trade for the pet trade. Jacob's sheep. Jacob's sheep is a hardy and distinctive breed of domestic sheep known for its piebald markings and multiple horns. Jacob's sheep are named for their association with the biblical figure of Jacob, and were bred for their wool, meat, and use as status symbols. These charismatic animals are known for their docility and adaptability to various climates and terrains. Despite being considered a conservation success story, Jacob's sheep still face some threats from inbreeding and disease, and are often kept for their unique appearance and cultural significance. Jaguarundi. Jaguarundi is a small-sized wild cat found in Central and South America, with a long, slender body and short legs. Jaguarundis are closely related to other small wild cats such as ocelots and margays, and are able to climb trees and swim with ease. These elusive cats are primarily active during the day and feed on a variety of prey including rodents, birds, and reptiles. While the jaguarundi is not currently considered a threatened species, habitat loss and fragmentation pose a serious threat to its long-term survival. Japalura. Japalura is a genus of arboreal lizards found in Southeast Asia, known for their colorful and iridescent scales. Japaluras are able to change color rapidly in response to their environment, and are well suited for life in the treetops. These active and agile lizards are primarily insectivores, but may also consume some small vertebrates. While some species of Japalura are kept as pets, others are threatened by habitat loss and degradation due to deforestation and other forms of human activity. Japanese Cormorant. Japanese cormorant is a type of bird found in Japan and other parts of East Asia, known for its role in traditional fishing practices. Japanese cormorants have long necks and bills, and are able to dive deep into the water to catch fish. These birds have been trained by humans for centuries to help catch fish in rivers and estuaries, and are still used for this purpose in some parts of Japan. Despite their cultural significance and historical use by humans, Japanese cormorants face threats from habitat loss and pollution in their native range. Japanese green pheasant. Japanese green pheasant is a subspecies of the common pheasant found in Japan and parts of Russia, known for its distinctive coloration and vocalizations. Japanese green pheasants are often associated with Japanese culture and folklore, and are sometimes called national birds in Japan. These birds inhabit forested areas and are primarily herbivores, feeding on seeds, berries, and insects. While not currently threatened, Japanese green pheasants face pressure from habitat loss and hunting, and may be affected by climate change in the future. Java sparrow. Java sparrow is a small bird found in Indonesia and other parts of Southeast Asia, known for its striking black and white plumage and distinctive chirps. Java sparrows, also known as rice birds, have been kept as pets for centuries and are sometimes released during religious ceremonies and weddings. These birds primarily feed on seeds and are able to breed year-round. Java sparrow is a highly sociable bird species found in Java Island and commonly kept as pet bird. Male Java sparrows are larger than female ones and have more colorful feather patterns. It belongs to the Estrelidae family, known for their cheerful chirping. Java sparrows are a popular pet bird, often sought for their appealing albino variety. Their diet consists mainly of grain feeds and small insects that they catch on the ground. Java sparrows are known for their habits of forming large flocks in the wild, and exhibiting playful behaviors of hopping and fluttering around other birds. Javan mouse deer. Javan mouse deer is a small hoofed mammal species inhabiting the dense rainforests of Java and Bali, known for their shy and solitary nature. They are often preyed on by larger carnivores and considered endangered, also called as cancel in local language. The Javan mouse deer is the world's smallest hoofed mammal, with a size of just 40 centimeters in length and 2 kilograms in weight. They are expert at hiding and camouflaging themselves in the rainforest floor, and usually active during dawn and dusk. Due to habitat loss and illegal hunting, the Javan mouse deer is classified as a critically endangered species. Javan Warty Pig. Javan Warty Pig is wild pig species endemic to the islands of Java and Bali, known for its distinctive wart-covered face and large tusks. They live in small groups and are omnivorous, feeding on roots, berries, and small animals. The Javan Warty Pig is one of the rarest pig species and critically endangered due to hunting and habitat loss. Javan Warty Pigs are well adapted to living in the tropical rainforest, with their strong sense of smell and acute hearing abilities. In Bali, Javan Warty Pigs are considered a sacred animal, and often depicted in local art and cultural festivals. Javelina. Javelina is also known as collared peccary. It is a wild pig-like mammal native to the southwestern U.S. and Central and South America. They are social and territorial, usually spending time in small herds, and have a keen sense of smell. Javelinas are smaller than domestic pigs and have distinctive white collar-like hairs around their necks. They are important seed dispersers of several desert plants and often found foraging for fruits and cactus pads. Javelinas have adapted well to human habitats and can be found in urban areas or even wandering through resort properties. Conure. Conure is a medium-sized parrot belonging to the Conure family, native to northeastern South America. They have a bright yellow-orange plumage and are highly social and vocal, often forming large flocks in the wild. Conures are highly intelligent and can be trained easily to perform tricks and imitate speech. In their natural habitat, Conures are known to be migratory with seasonal movements influenced by food availability. They are often kept as pets and require a varied diet of seeds, fruits, vegetables, and occasional protein supplements. Jerboa. Jerboa is a small jumping desert rodent found mainly in North Africa and Asia, known for their long hind legs, large ears, and big eyes. They are nocturnal and feed on insects and vegetation. Jerboas are excellent jumpers, capable of covering several feet in a single leap, and use their long tail for balance during landing. They have highly efficient kidneys that conserve water to cope with their dry desert habitat. Jerboas are popular in folklore and often depicted as swift and clever creatures, making them a popular subject in children's stories. Javanese Baza. Javanese Baza is a bird of prey species distributed across the Indian subcontinent and Southeast Asia, often found in forested areas. They are medium-sized and have distinctively patterned wings. Javanese Baza is a skilled hunter and feeds mainly on small birds and insects. They are known to have several distinct vocalizations that are used for communication with their mate or to mark their territory. Javanese Baza are often seen in pairs, but can also form small flocks during migration. Javanese Corsair. Javanese Corsair is a bird species endemic to the scrublands of southern India, known for its distinctively long legs and upright posture. They feed mainly on insects and small reptiles, and are highly nocturnal. Javanese Corsair is classified as a critically endangered species due to habitat loss and illegal hunting for avian parts. The corsair's distinctive coloration and markings on the feathers allow for effective camouflage and blending into the surroundings. An interesting fact about Javanese leafbird is that they are often confused with the other leafbird species due to their similar names, but their appearances are quite different. Jewel beetle. Jewel beetle is a type of beetle found throughout the world, known for their bright and vivid metallic coloration on the exoskeleton. They mainly feed on nectar, pollen, and sap, and act as pollinators for several plant species. The iridescent colors of the jewel beetle are created by the reflection and refraction of light on the microscopic ridges of their exoskeleton. Female jewel beetles use their sensitive and sharp antennae to locate potential mates and respond to specific pheromones. Some species of jewel beetles are used in traditional medicine for ailments such as toothache and fever, or as decorations or jewelry. Jird. Jird is a small rodent of the gerbil family, found mainly in the deserts of North Africa and Asia. They live in burrows and are active mainly during the night, feeding on seeds and insects. Jirds have a unique adaptation in their kidneys that enable them to excrete concentrated urine, allowing them to survive in water-scarce environments. They are common prey for snakes, owls, and other desert predators. Jirds are often kept as pets, and their sociable and active nature make them ideal for households with some prior experience with rodent pets. Junco. Junco is a type of small songbird found mainly in North America, known for their brown and gray plumage with white bellies. They mainly feed on seeds and insects, and are often seen feeding on the ground. Junco's widespread distribution and adaptability enable them to survive in various habitats such as coniferous forests, grasslands, and suburban areas. They are migratory birds and have several distinct subspecies that exhibit different migration patterns and habitat preferences. Junco's song is generally simple and melodious, with several distinct variations among the different subspecies. Jungle owlet. The jungle owlet is a species of small owl commonly found in the Indian subcontinent, known for its distinctive unpatterned brown or gray plumage and sharp talons. Jungle owlets are primarily nocturnal birds, spending their days roosting in dense vegetation and emerging at dusk to hunt for insects and small mammals. Females lay up to 4 eggs at a time, and both parents share responsibilities in incubating the eggs and caring for the young until they are fully fledged. While relatively common in their natural range, jungle owlets are threatened by habitat loss and human encroachment, particularly in areas where forests are being cleared for agriculture.